Ever wished you could have your own private gaming kingdom on your PS5 without messing with anyone else's progress? Let's dive in. Creating a new user is super simple. First, navigate to the settings icon on your PS5 home screen. It's the gear-shaped icon up top. Once you're in settings, scroll down and select users and accounts. From the users and accounts menu, choose the users option. This is where the magic begins. Next, click add user. You'll then be presented with two choices, but to make a new profile locally, you want to select get started. You'll then be presented with a sign-in screen. Select create a user. Now, you'll need to accept the terms of service and privacy policy. Read them carefully, or just quickly scroll through and accept. Whatever you choose, then click accept. Next, you'll be asked to enter your desired email address. Then you will need to create a password and confirm it. Next, create the online ID you want to be known by. Be creative. If a name is taken, PlayStation will suggest some alternatives after you have chosen your online ID. Click next. That's it. You now have your own personalized profile on your PS5. You'll have your own save data, settings, and a fresh start. Enjoy.